guys, forgive the change in camera. I left and brought the arm to film from above, but not the one to turn the camera straight. So we're going to have to rely on my cell phone because I don't want to delay these as far as getting them up. But here is Mr. Tigger. His tummy thing is sewn on. I kind of have him sitting at an angle. There are his ears, and got him stuffed crooked. There we go. His nose, his beady little eyes. And only thing I can say about this pattern that I'm not crazy about, that neck, even though I stuffed it and restuffed it, is just not quite as stiff as I would like. But I guess that's why his snout is made like it is, because it does help hold it up. And I did go in and tack his tail down because it was just irritating me. So that is it. That is the finished Tigger. I am going to actually put this at the beginning of the videos. So forgive me for not turning it around and showing my face. It's irritating me. There we go. But as always, there are a few disclaimers. One, Tigger is not my creation. This pattern is not my creation. Tigger belongs, I'm sure, to Disney, probably by now. And then, of course, the pattern book is a leisure arts pattern. So as a result, as always, I cannot give you the pattern. I have a lot of people contact me and ask, and I just cannot do it. It's not mine to give. I have been told that it's free online. I don't know if it is or isn't. I don't have a copy that's been like downloaded, so I can't help with that. The other thing is I am not a professional crocheter. This is just my interpretation of it. And because of those two facts combined, I have not, let me see, how can I put this as a disclaimer? I have not shown everything that there is to be shown on each, round or row. And I have also not made any effort to go back, and if I've misspoken or anything like that and didn't catch it at the time, I've not made any effort to go back and correct things like that. So this is truly just me taking you along as I crocheted, and hopes that it will help you. Is there anything else I did differently? I think that's everything. I did find the ears a little frustrating to sew on, but that is what it is. So this is, sorry about the shadow, but it's the end of the day and I have finished and I want to get these videos edited. This is Tigger, and that's what he should look like. And they've got theirs, sorry about the getting closer, sitting up a little better than I do, but you can see his face better that way. So guys, this is going to go in front of every one of the videos and at the end of the last one. So somewhere around, I don't know, hopefully the end of this week, beginning of next week, which should be like the 3rd or 4th week of February. I'm drawing a blank right now. I'll be getting these videos up for you. So thanks for watching, and thanks for tagging along for this. If you like these kind of videos, I'd love it if you'd subscribe and click the like button. It just lets me know, have a better idea of what kind of content to do. And the other thing would be, if you have a request or a suggestion for something else that I should do a crochet or knit along for, please let me know in the comments, or come find me over on Facebook. I'm over there at Home with Shara C. And I'm on Instagram, but honestly, very rarely. I just don't check it a lot. So thanks again, and let me stop rambling and get this going. All right, guys, on this nose, I have got two choices. I can go with this really light pink, or I can go with the same bright pink I used for his mouth. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to make one of both and see which one I like best propped up against it. So I'm going to work with the bright pink on camera because I think it'll be easier for you guys maybe to see. And my battery, oh, I still got some time. Okay. Nose. With pink, chain 4. Single crochet in the second chain and in the next chain, and 3 single crochet in the last one. So 1, 2, and 3. Then working in the free loop, single crochet in next chain, and then 2 in the last one. Single crochet and 2. Let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we should have 8, which I have. I wonder what the marker is for. What I don't know, give me just a minute, I want to check something. When do we add the nose? What I want to make sure is that that marker is just to tell me when to stop and start. Give me just a minute. Right side of nose facing. Same stitch. Okay, I think I'm going to leave that marker off and just count my stitches, but there could be a mistake, so if you're in doubt, you might want to put a marker. So anyway, that's single crochets. Round 2 is 2 in each one, so that'll be 16 total. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 16. Round 3, 2 single crochet in each of next 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 4. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 2 in the next 3, so 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, whoops, and then 6, so 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 2 in the next 2 will be 22, which is correct. 1, 2. Now round 4 is just single crochet around. Okay, now round 5, we're going to single crochet around and slip stitch into the next one and finish off. So 22 stitches and then a slip stitch. And slip stitch. Kitty, leave the tripod alone, please. And end it off. And this is what you end up with for your nose. It's just a little cup. You can see this is the back side and this is the front. It's kind of got a ovally shape. A roundy oval, an ovally round, whatever. Anyway, this is the nose. Okay, the next section is the muzzle. I am going to take a few minutes break and come back and work on that. Oh, yuck. It has a stranding holding colors across the wrong side when necessary. Fun, fun, fun.